Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel where we delve into all things IELTS. Today, I'm going to break down one of the most difficult modules in IELTS, that is reading. So let us start with basics. IELTS reading consists of 3 passages, each followed with a set of 13 to 14 questions, totaling to 40 questions overall. These passages will be from various academic sources and you get 60 minutes to solve and write the answers of these reading passages. Now, let us talk about the questions. Each question will not be of the same type. In fact, there are 12 question types in total. And you need different approach to solve each question type. Today, I am going to give you a golden tip that will help you solve reading passages effectively. The key is to wisely choose whether to read the question first or the passage. There are some question types for which the answers will always be in sequence. You can find a list of these question types on your left. In simple terms, for these question types, read question number 1 and find its answer, and then read question number 2 and find its answer, and so on. Because the information related to question number 2 will always come after the information related to question number 1. Apart from this, there are these question types. These question types sometimes do not come in sequence. This means that although they may initially be in sequence, there are chances that their order may be jumbled in the latter part of the questions. So, for these, read 2 to 3 questions at a time and then look for the relevant information in the passage. Apart from these, there are some question types that are never in order. You will find the list of these question types here. These question types are the toughest out of all, so solve them at the end. Make sure that you practice each question type thoroughly and time yourself while practicing. For more insights on IELTS, enroll with IMS Venturi. For further details, check out the caption below. Thank you.